Are you interested in making money from home by testing websites and apps? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to get started with website and app testing and earn extra income. First, sign up for legitimate website testing platforms like User Testing, TryMyUI, and Userlytics. Then, create a profile and take a sample test to get familiar with the process. Next, wait for testing opportunities to appear on your dashboard. When you receive a test invitation, carefully read the instructions and complete the tasks assigned to you. Make sure to provide honest and detailed feedback, as this will increase your chances of receiving more testing opportunities in the future. As you gain more experience, you can join additional testing platforms and even specialize in certain types of testing, such as mobile app testing or website usability testing. Overall, website and app testing can be a flexible and rewarding way to make money online. So, what are you waiting for? Start testing today and earn extra income from the comfort of your own home. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to make money online.